We are visiting the Lotus Temple, one of the biggest Bahá'í House of Worship. It looks amazing. It has a beautiful architecture designed by an Iranian designer in 1970s. Let's check out the temple from inside. The Lotus Temple, located in New Delhi, is a Bahá'í House of Worship that was dedicated in December 1986. Notable for its lotus-like shape, it has become a prominent attraction in the city. Anyone may enter the Lotus Temple irrespective of religious background, gender, or other distinctions, as in the case with all Bahá'í House of Worship. The temple was opened to public on 1st January 1987 and more than 10,000 people visited that day. The building is composed of 27 freestanding marble clad, arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides. The 9 doors of the Lotus Temple open to a central hall which is 34.3 meters tall that can seat 1300 people and hold up to 2500 people. The temple has a diameter of 70 meters. The architect of the Lotus Temple was an Iranian, Faribroz Saba. The structural design was undertaken by the British firm Flint and Nail over the course of 18 months. The major part of the funds needed to buy this land was donated by Ardeshir Rustampur of Hyderabad in Sindh, Pakistan. The sacred writings of not only the Bahá'í faith but also other religions can be read and chanted regardless of language. On the other hand, reading non-scriptural texts is forbidden, as is delivering sermons or lectures or fundraising. Musical renditions or readings of prayers can be sung by choir, but no musical instruments can be played inside. There is no set pattern for worship service, and ritualistic ceremonies are not permitted. I had a great experience at the Lotus Temple. It's very peaceful. The place is very well maintained, neat and clean. There is a lot of restrictions. You cannot carry your cameras inside. Only till the entry gate you can carry your mobile phones and cameras. Inside there is a lot of seating arrangements for worship. You can sit, it's very peaceful. After you exit, you can start using your cameras and mobile phones. It's a worth visit.